Today we have the PlayStation 5 camera. I'm going to show you this right now. How we doing, everyone? My name is Dario from mediaboxentlab.com. All right, guys. So finally, we're going to check the PlayStation 5 camera. So HD for PS5. Yes. Only works for the PS5. Do not try it. Do not buy this because it's going to work for your PlayStation 4 or it's going to work with your PC. No, not working with your PC, at least not for now. Until somebody creates on top of the software or something. All right. So we have here the camera. The instructions how to use the camera. And we got over here. I call the camera the taco version. It looks like a little taco. Now it has a nice weight. Why? Because what you're gonna do, right? You're gonna put this on top of the TV, so it needs to make sure it holds on the TV, right? The nice thing, it has maybe like a 15 to 20 degrees angle. You can tilt up and down. So if you're gonna put this right in your TV, you can bring this down. So show you or bring it down. Now, or you can locate this right on the bottom of your TV, or you can increase this up, bring this down. So yeah, I keep it all different angles where you can change. By the way, the connection is a USB 3.0. Now, this is a 1080 high definition camera. Now, to remind you one thing, what is cool about this is on the PlayStation 5, you have the editing tool would allow you to crop the video. So take all the stuff you don't need all around and only concentrate on yourself and not the rest of the room. And you can even use a green screen effect. So it has to even allow you to set up the tool for the green screen. I think that's an awesome thing. Now, what are you going to use the camera for? If you love to stream up there or Twitch, YouTube, and you want to show yourself, well, this is a simple way to do it, right? You have the camera, you don't need any crazy equipment. And like always, to get one of these cameras, I will leave the link below this video. And another thing, we're going to have Series X, S, PlayStation console, and digital, and all the add-ons, by the way, guys, right over here in mediaboxentlab.com. I'm going to show you all those coming up real soon. I'll see you next time. Bye.